Winter holidays ideas. 1. Winter Wonderland party. Decorate with snowflakes, have a hot cocoa bar, and maybe even a DIY ornament station. Transform your space into a magical realm with a Winter Wonderland party. Adorned with shimmering snowflakes and twinkling lights, the atmosphere radiates seasonal charm. Guests can indulge in a delightful hot cocoa bar, crafting their perfect cup, while a DIY ornament station adds a personal touch to the festivities. The air is filled with laughter and joy as everyone immerses themselves in the enchanting ambience of this winter celebration. 2. Ice skating outing. Whether at a local rink or a frozen pond, ice skating is a classic winter activity. Underneath the crisp winter sky, embrace the thrill of gliding on ice in the great outdoors. A frozen pond or a local rink transforms into a picturesque setting for this classic winter activity. The rhythmic sound of skates cutting through the ice echoes as friends and family twirl and glide together. It's a timeless experience, where the chill in the air is surpassed only by the warmth of shared moments on a glistening, frost-kissed surface. 3. Holiday movie marathon. Cozy up with blankets, hot chocolate, and binge-watch your favorite holiday movies. Cozy up with loved ones as you embark on a holiday movie marathon, a heartwarming tradition that transcends generations. The flickering glow of the screen illuminates a room adorned with festive decorations, creating a cinematic wonderland. From timeless classics to contemporary favorites, each film weaves tales of joy, love, and the magic of the season. As laughter and nostalgia fill the air, it's a cinematic journey that turns a simple evening into a cherished holiday memory. 4. Ski trip. Plan a weekend getaway to a snowy destination for skiing or snowboarding. Embark on a winter adventure with a ski trip that promises both exhilaration and breathtaking vistas. The crisp mountain air greets you as you navigate the slopes, a canvas of glistening snow stretching out beneath. Cozy lodges provide refuge for Embark's ski warmth, complete with hot cocoa and tales by the fireplace. Whether tackling challenging runs or enjoying scenic chairlift rides, a ski trip becomes a symphony of thrill and relaxation, harmonizing with the snowy landscape for an unforgettable winter escape. 5. DIY snow globe crafting. Get creative by making personalized snow globes as festive decorations or gifts. Delve into the enchanting world of DIY snow globe crafting, where creativity takes center stage. Gather glass jars, whimsical figurines, and a sprinkle of fox snow to design personalized winter wonderlands. As you carefully assemble your miniature scenes, each shake of the globe brings a flurry of magic to life. These handcrafted treasures become more than decorations. They embody the joy of crafting and make for thoughtful, one-of-a-kind gifts that capture the charm of the season. Dive into the art of snow globe making and let your imagination snowstorm. 6. Winter picnic. Bundle up and have a picnic in a snowy park with warm comfort foods. Bundle up for a winter picnic, where nature's frosty beauty sets the scene for a cozy and memorable outing. Blankets spread on the snow-covered ground become your snug haven as you savor comfort foods and hot drinks. The brisk air adds a refreshing touch to the experience, making each bite and sip a celebration of winter's delights. Amidst the serene landscape, a winter picnic transforms the ordinary into a magical alfresco affair, bringing warmth to the chill of the season. 7. Visit a market. Explore local holiday markets for unique gifts and festive treats. Embrace the winter spirit with a visit to a market, where the air is filled with the scent of festive delights and the twinkle of holiday lights. Wander through stalls adorned with handcrafted ornaments, unique gifts, and seasonal treats. The joyful melodies of carolers create a festive soundtrack, immersing yourself in the heartwarming ambience. A winter visit to the market becomes a magical journey, where each vendor's offering tells a story of craftsmanship and holiday cheer. 8. Winter hike. Enjoy the serene beauty of winter landscapes on a nature hike. Embark on a winter hike, where the tranquil beauty of snow-draped landscapes creates a serene and captivating journey. The crisp crunch of snow beneath your boots accompanies the hushed whispers of nature, turning the trail into a winter wonderland. As you traverse the glistening paths, the bare branches adorned with snowflakes paint a picture of quiet elegance. Every step unveils a new vista, making a winter hike a soul-reviving experience that connects you with the serene magic of the season. 9. Book club by the fireplace. Start a winter book club and discuss novels with friends while curled up by the fireplace. Gather a group of friends or fellow book enthusiasts, ensuring everyone has a copy of the chosen winter-themed book. Arrange comfortable seating near a crackling fireplace, providing a warm ambience for discussion. Encourage participants to bring their favorite hot beverages or winter snacks to enhance the experience. As the pages turn and discussions unfold, the combination of literature, friendship, and the comforting glow of the fire transforms your space into a haven for winter storytelling and shared int. 10. Stargazing in the snow. Bundle up and venture outside to gaze at the winter night sky, identifying constellations and enjoying the quiet beauty. Choose a clear evening, bundle up in warm layers, and head to an open space away from city lights. Bring along a telescope or simply lay out on blankets to admire the night sky. Download a stargazing app to help identify constellations and planets. Hot drinks in thermoses can add to the coziness as you marvel at the winter constellations like Orion or the dazzling brilliance of Sirius. Embrace the tranquility of the night, allowing the beauty of the cosmos to spark wonder and conversation among friends or family. Remember to tailor these ideas to your preferences and local conditions for a memorable winter holiday season.